Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are here at LAX again because I'm going to be flying to Panama today. And as y'all can see, I'm in the LAX budget parking lot. I'm going to take the bus to the main terminal. So yeah, I'll see you once I'm in the airport or on the bus. Alright guys, so I just got off the bus. Now we're here in Terminal B, aka Tom Bradley International. I just gotta go find the Copa check-in counter because I forgot to check in 24 hours before my flight, which I usually do online. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go over there and check in right now. Alright guys, so I just got through airport security. Now we are heading to the Virgin Atlantic Clubhouse. As you can see here, it is on the same floor as the Star Alliance Lounge. So anyways, we're going to be taking the elevator up to the 6th floor, just like how I usually do when I go to the Star Alliance Lounge. Because as you can see, as we get closer, here, let me show you this. See what that says? Virgin Atlantic Clubhouse. Alright, so let's take the elevator. Alright guys, so now we are here at the Virgin Atlantic Clubhouse. As you can see, it is a really beautiful lounge, and most of you guys might think that since this is Virgin Atlantic, you need to be flying Virgin Atlantic in business class to access this lounge. Actually, it's way more than just that. You can actually also get in as a Priority Pass member for a $35 fee. So it's $35 per person, but thankfully, since I'm traveling alone, it's good already. I just have to pay $35. So yeah, but however, right now for some reason they said they're not currently accepting Priority Pass members, and we will have to wait until 8 o'clock to enter the lounge. So I'm just gonna go do something for like 30 minutes. Currently I think about 7:30 right now. So yeah, we're just gonna wait. Alright guys, so as I was waiting, I just decided to explore the terminal, look at all the duty-free stores and all that stuff. But now it is finally 3 minutes before the lounge opens up. So I'm going to start heading upstairs right now. So that way I could be the first person to get into the lounge as it opens. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is the Virgin Atlantic Clubhouse. It is extremely beautiful in here. As you can see, you got all these amenities. Yeah, it's quite amazing. This lounge has it all. So anyways, I'm gonna find a seat, sit down, order some food, and yeah, just enjoy myself and my time in the lounge here. Alright guys, so I just got seated. I got a Diet Coke already. It's really nice. I'm already loving this lounge. Alrighty guys, this is my Clubhouse Smash Burger. As you can see, it looks absolutely delicious, and they also gave me a side of potato chips. So I'm gonna try it out. So as you can see, I just took a bite out of the burger. It is extremely delicious, and what's also cool is that they somehow engraved the Virgin Atlantic name onto the burger as well. I don't know how they did that, but yeah, it's absolutely amazing. Alrighty guys, so right now I'm currently in the bathroom right now. Usually I don't show the bathroom in lounges, but check this out. I am literally in one of the cleanest bathrooms like a lounge could have. Look at how nice everything's like arranged, and there's even a shower in here too. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Wow. Yeah, so you get like your own personal shower space and all. That's really nice. I love that. Oh yeah, don't mind the beeping sound outside. One of the workers accidentally triggered the emergency exit. They accidentally opened the emergency exit door and they set off the alarm. So right now they're trying to resolve it. But yeah, this is the bathroom. It's really nice in here. So checking out more of the Virgin Atlantic Lounge, as you can see, there are these little booths here that you can have, like, you know, conference calls, or you just need a quiet space. You can just sit here. Unfortunately, this one is out of service, But you have this one here that's in service, but I think it's already taken because someone left their food there. But yeah. Virgin Atlantic Lounge at LAX. I highly recommend coming here if you are a Priority Pass member. So in the Virgin Lounge, there's a room called the Zen Den. Basically, it's like an exercise room. It's pretty cool. As you can see, you got weights on the ground. You got, yeah. So yeah, it's really nice. Nice quiet space, yoga mat. This lounge has it all. Alright guys, so now stepping out of the Virgin Atlantic Clubhouse. Oh my gosh, I am so full from all the food I ate in the lounge. I basically ordered the whole menu at that point. But anyways, the lounge was really nice. Staff was incredibly friendly. And yeah, I'm just gonna walk down to my gate because my flight is currently boarding right now. So yeah, I will see you once I get on to my Copa Airlines flight. All right, here we are guys, gate 135. That's where our Copa Airlines 737 will be departing. So we are boarding group 3. Alrighty guys, so that is our airplane taking us to Panama. It is a 737 MAX 9 as usual. Alright guys, so now we're on the plane as you can see. Usually when I fly Copa Airlines, I book the normal economy seats, but this time I decided to get the premium economy seats, or what Copa calls economy extra. So as you can see, in the economy extra seats, you get a seat back screen, which is really nice. We're in seat 7F right now, and as you can see, you got a lot of leg room, and you got your usual stuff here that you find, safety pamphlet, etc. And yeah. You also get a nice view of the wing.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck. This is your captain, Catherine Hernandez speaking. On behalf of the first officer, Luis Peñate, and all our crew, Linda Chan, Charlie Mosley, Greg Fowler, and Jesus Carrasco, welcome you on board to the flight 362 with destination Tocumen International Airport of Panama City and connections. The flight time will be 5 hours and 56 minutes. Expect to depart on time and should be getting an hour shortly. So we hope you enjoy flying with us today, and thank you for choosing Copa Airlines. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain, Catherine Hernandez speaking. We are experiencing a delay of approximately 10 minutes due to a failure in the communication with the station of Panama. Thank you for your understanding, and we appreciate your patience.
So after hearing that announcement, I was completely shocked, but that delay, that 30-minute delay turned into almost an hour and a half. So eventually we were on our way, just about an hour and a half behind schedule.
11:33 a.m. Dear passenger, welcome to Tucumán International Airport, sir, Panama City, Panama, local time 33 minutes past 7 a.m.
Alrighty guys, I have safely made it to Panama City. As you can see, I'm inside the airport right now. I'm still in the terminal because I'm here at the Nasawa Bakery getting some milk tea because I need some caffeine for the day after what happened yesterday. I'm extremely exhausted, so yeah, just getting some caffeine and then I'm gonna go on with my day. So I will see you all in the next video.